Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about ZimaBoard. What is ZimaBoard? Well, basically ZimaBoard is a low-cost single board server exclusively designed for makers and geeks. It has both the capabilities of an x86 single board computer and the power of a micro server. And with this board, you can do a lot of projects. And in this video, of course, we're also going to mention what kind of projects you can do using this board. But before talking more about the ZimaBoard, don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel if you want me to make some more videos with the ZimaBoard, some projects, maybe install Windows 11 23H2 on it and do certain tests and experiments with it. So make sure to leave also some comments below if you're interested in that. So the ZimaBoard has 3 different performance packages that you can choose. The best one having up to 8 GB of DDR4 memory, which is the ZimaBoard 832. It also has an Intel quad-core CPU up to 2.2 GHz, dual gigabit Ethernet LAN, and it supports Linux, Windows, OpenWRT, pfSense, Android, and it comes pre-configured with Linux. Talking about some projects that you can do with this kind of a board, you can do a personal NAS or a VPN or a streaming project. You can also do a software router or a media server. Smart home, you can basically connect certain devices to it, and that is pretty cool. Well, of course, in the package, you can find the ZimaBoard, the power cable, which has versions for both US and Europe, a SATA cable, and also some stickers and the user manual. That will be quite helpful if you are not following a video like this, because in this video, I'm also going to show you how to quickly set it up. Talking about connectivity, the board has 2 SATA 3.0 6 gigabits ports for an HD or an SSD, 2 gigabit LAN ports, 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 PCIe 2.0 X4, and also a mini display port that you can use to connect an external monitor, and I think that is pretty nice. It only weighs around 278 grams, so it's pretty light. You can place it basically wherever you want. It doesn't take up a lot of space. Now let's see how we can quickly set it up. Basically, you need to firstly connect ZimaBoard with the router or the cable modem through an Ethernet cable, and also you need to plug in the power cable and see the light indicator for network flash. You also need to make sure that your PC and ZimaBoard are in the same network or router. All you have to do then is to navigate to casaos.local and set up your account. It's pretty simple. You just need to set up a username, a password, confirm it, and you should be good to go. After you've done that, you're going to be able to see the main interface, which basically contains the CasaOS system based on Debian, and its interface is pretty simple. As you can see, we have the date, the clock, system status, which shows the usage percentage for the CPU and RAM, storage. As you can see, we have a total of 27 GB storage. We have the storage manager. You can also sync our data between multiple devices, and we have the files where you can access our drive, app store, and widget settings. If you're going into the app store and you receive the message there was an error when loading app store list, please try again. You're gonna have to update CasaOS to the latest version, and to do that, just press on the settings button in the left top side, and here you're gonna have multiple options such as the search engine, the language. You can change the web UI port, wallpaper, and more. But at the bottom, you'll also have the update that you can install, the version 0.4.1, the version that I had currently installed on the board, but now I was able to update to the version 0.4.4, which is basically the latest version at the time of the recording. You can also see in that pop-up what is changing and what is added into CasaOS. You can click on the update now button. The update should take place in a few minutes at the most. You'll notice that after a while, it will download some packages from GitHub, and then you're going to receive the message with a pop-up upgrade complete, and you'll notice that you'll now be able to open up the App Store and see certain apps that you can install that will help you do certain projects with your ZimaBoard. For example, you can do a web app to manage your 2-factor authentication, AdGuard Home, basically network-wide ads, trackers, and blocking DNS server. You can install an open source UI chat for AI models, Home Assist, File Drop, File Browser, and there are a lot of apps that you can install here, and that can help you with your ZimaBoard projects. Please let me know below in the comments if you want me to make a video with a different projects, and maybe you can specify the project. Of course, I'm new to ZimaBoard. I'm new to single board servers, so I'm just gonna learn while doing the video. But I think it would be pretty cool to see the whole process. So this is basically a quick overview of ZimaBoard, which is for me the best single board computer. In this video, I showed you the main specifications of it, what you can find in the package, and of course, how to quickly set it up. If you want me to make different videos and more videos with it, please let me know below in the comments what projects you would want me to do with the ZimaBoard. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below, and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.